Fuenlzel water heater. Fuenlzel biomass water heater is designed to enhance the water heating experience in rural and urban households. This heater is a high-performance water heater which provides maximum thermal power using very low fuel. It consumes only 2 kg firewood to heat 55 liters water in just 20 minutes. Fuenlzel biomass water heater is best suitable option for both residential as well as commercials like hotels, restaurants, dhabas, farmhouses, etc. It can also be used in religious places to provide hot water service to the devotees.